सुष्मिता सेन के भाई राजीव सेन ने किया एक्स वाइफ चारू असोपा को ब्लेम। राजीव सेन और चारू असोपा एक बार फिर आए चर्चा में। In his recent YouTube vlog, Rajiv Sen held Charu Asopa's unresolved past trauma responsible for their ongoing discord. Well, सुष्मिता सेन के भाई राजीव सेन और चारू असोपा की टर्बुलेंट मैरिज ने हमेशा से ग्रैब की हैं कई आईबॉल्स। वैसे तो दोनों कॉर्डियल को पेरेंटिंग रिलेशनशिप के लिए जाने जाते हैं, जहां दोनों कई बार अपने हैप्पी मोमेंट्स भी शेयर करते हैं विद डॉटर जियाना। हालांकि things turned sour when Charu announced her decision to quit acting and relocate to her hometown Bikaner with their child Ziana. राजीव ने कहा कि उनको इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था और राजीव ने चारू के इस मूव का अपोज भी किया और उनको इस बात का डर लगा कि इससे उनकी और उनकी डॉटर जियाना का बॉन्ड जो है वो स्ट्रेन हो जाएगा। And since then their war of words has grabbed headlines marked by accusations and personal digs. और अपने नए रीसेंट यूट्यूब व्लॉग में राजीव का कहना है कि चारू का अनरिजॉल्व्ड पास्ट ट्रॉमा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है उनके ऑनगोइंग डिस्कॉर्ड के लिए। उन्होंने बहुत डिटेल्स तो शेयर नहीं की, बट ही शेयर्ड दैट आफ्टर स्पीकिंग विद चारू's mother, he learned about incidents from Charu's past that continue to affect her. Rajiv alleged that she is now projecting this unhealed emotional baggage onto him, which is damaging their relationship further, adding that similar things would happen in her future relationships too. Rajiv ने कहा, Everything that she has spoken about me to the media, I don't think any person or any news channel would talk about any criminal. I was very close to her mother for about 6 months. I came to know a lot of things during that time about Charu, and it has a lot to do with her past life. That trauma and everything that she has been through, she's taking it out on me. Even normal couples fight, but when you carry a certain past unresolved trauma, until you don't release that, she will keep doing the same thing again and again, be it with any guy that comes into her life. Rajiv also shared that Charu's recent behavior stems from unresolved trauma, accusing him publicly despite once affectionately calling him baby and trusting him enough to accompany him on several Dubai trips. He added that their genuine bond was evident in their countless shared photos and videos, proving that there was mutual warmth. Rajiv ne kaha, clearly shows that if a guy is so bad like me, there must have been some goodness in me that she went on multiple trips with me to Dubai. Pictures and videos बहुत कुछ बोल देती हैं. It's not only about Ziana. She used to call me baby and all, and she spoke all negative things about me in that interview. राजीव ने अपनी एक्स वाइफ को स्लैम भी किया for involving her in her vlog to badmouth him. राजीव ने कहा, जब किसी के साथ आप गलत करते हो और उसमें आप अपने फैमिली को भी इन्वॉल्व करते हो तो कितनी गलत बात है। कभी भी आपने देखा है कि मैंने अपनी फैमिली को इन्वॉल्व किया है व्लॉग में आकर किसी के बारे में बोले। मजे की बात तो ये है कि तीनों ने मेरा नाम नहीं लिया। क्यों भाई, डर गए? Well, Charu Asopa was previously married for 9 years, but the relationship ended over compatibility issues. She was later engaged to TV actor Neeraj Malviya, but they called off the wedding. Charu then married Rajiv Sen in 2019 and welcomed their daughter Ziana in 2021 before divorcing him.